Hello friends all over the world, have a great and successful day friends. This is gold chart H1 and this is the first waves. Thursday start gold from here for buy, and this is the second correction, and this is third Elliott waves. And if the reverse from here, this stage, the market can come back this point 1835, and if the come down is here's 1831 32, and the last stage for wave 4 is 1828 and go back to 55 to 60. Okay, this is next 60 can touch step by step. Now we can visit for next week is finally analysis. This is day 1 chart friends. If the cross of 155 or 60, the final resistance is 1866. Carefully this place 1866. If the cross of 1866 resistance, they can touch 1875 for next 5 to 7 days, 1904 and 1934, and at least 1955. This is 7 working days they can touch these places. And if they come back, I will make video every day for daily analysis. If I found any signals for reverse, I will upload my new videos. Thank you very much. Like, share and subscribe please my channel. Thank you.